Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Tips. Today we'll be looking at Microsoft Word. The tips I share can be used in most versions of Word, so if yours is slightly different than mine, don't worry about it. Let's get started. Tech tip number 1 is how to delete a word quickly. To delete a word entirely, simply left-click behind the word you want to delete and hold down the Control and Backspace keys on your keyboard. Again, left-click behind the word you're wanting to delete and hold down the Control and Backspace keys on your keyboard. The word will disappear. Tech tip number 2 is how to add text anywhere in the document. You can add text anywhere you want on the document page by double left-clicking with the mouse. Let me show you. I can double left-click around the screen to type words or phrases. This would be useful if you want to use the document space as a kind of whiteboard or for an artistic reason like poetry. Again, I'm just simply left-clicking twice and then typing. Tech tip number 3, how to highlight sections of text. Move your cursor to the far left of the document. Left-click once to select one line of text. To select an entire paragraph, double left-click next to the paragraph. It will highlight the entire paragraph. Again, left-click once to select a line, left-click twice to select a paragraph. Tech tip number 4, how to search within a document. Let's say you want to find a specific word or phrase in your document, but you don't want to read it all. All you need to do is hold down the Control and letter F keys on your keyboard. A navigation search box will appear. Now mine is populating with my last search term, which was business, which works for this one, but let's try email instead. I don't even have to hit enter. What it does is it searches for email, and it says I have 2 results. If I click on the first one, it will jump up to where it is in the text and highlight it in yellow. If I click on the next result, it will show me the second instance of email in my document. Let's practice with something else. Let's do the word the, because I've probably used it a lot in here. As you can see, there are 44 results of the word the. Each one is highlighted. You can select a specific result and it will show you where it is in the actual document. So again, to use a navigation search box, all you need to do is hold down the Control and letter F keys on your keyboard. Tech tip number 5 is how to check for the readability of your document. You can change your proofing settings for Word to show the readability statistics for your document. The readability statistics show how easy or complex your writing is by analyzing sentence structure and the words used. To turn on this option, you're going to left-click the File tab, left-click Options, left-click Proofing, and in the section titled When Correcting Spelling and Grammar in Word, you're going to check the box next to Show Readability Statistics, and then left-click OK. Now that that option is on, you'll need to run a spelling and grammar check to see the results. You're going to make sure you're on the Review tab by clicking the Review tab. Left-click Spelling and Grammar. Now, if you have any errors in your text, you'll need to fix those first. So as you can see, I have a misspelled word. That should be the word year, so we're going to click Change. And I'm going to leave fourth as is and just click Ignore. Our readability statistics have loaded. You get your word count just like you normally would, but in the readability section, it gives you a percentage of passive sentences, a flesh reading e-score, which ours is 61.6. The higher the number, that means the easier it is to read the document. Microsoft Word recommends a score of 60 to 70 for standard documents. The Flesh Kincaid grade level score tells us that a 7th grader in their 9th month would be able to understand this passage. I hope these readability statistics might be of use to you, and I hope you learned something else in this useful Tech Tips video. Visit the library website at www.nwrls.com for more information about upcoming programs. Have a great day!